like, Impala, chrome hydraulics, 808 drums, you don't want none, nigga better run. When beef is on, I pop that trunk, come get some, pistol grip pump. If a nigga step on my white air once, it's red rum, ready here come, Compton, Dre found me in the slums, selling that skunk, one hand on my gun. I was selling rocks and Master P was saying, buck past the blunt. It's G on the girls just wanna have fun. Coke and rum, got weed on the tongue. I'm banging with my hand up a dress like, I make it come, purple haze in my lungs. Whole gang in the front, case a nigga wanna stun.
I put Lamborghini doors on that Escalade. Low pro, so look like I'm riding on blades. In 1 year, man, a nigga so great. I have a straight bitch in the telly going both ways. Touch me, tease me, kiss me, please me. I give it to you just how you like it, girl. You're now rocking with the best, straight pound on my hip, Teflon on my chest. They say I'm no good, cause I'm so good. Rich folks do not want me around, cause shit might pop off, and if shit pop off, somebody gon' get laid the fuck out. They call me new money, say I have no class. I'm from the bottom, I came up too fast. The hell if I care, I'm just here to get my cash. Bougie ass bitches, you kiss my ass. This is how we do. We make a move and act the fool while we up in the club.
Yo, I'm something like a phenomenon, but still dumping whenever the drama's on. Y'all hustlers can't eat fit meals, and it feels something like when it's Ramadan. You chumps been walking with armor on. I'm pretty jumping, tickle a I love to see rumps and Ferragamo-thongs. Better look plump when you got pajamas on.
Lights out, hands said I might cause a cold front if I take a deep breath. My teeth gleaming like I'm chewing on aluminum foil. Smile showing off my diamonds, sipping on some potent oil. I put my money where my mouth is and bought a grill. 20 kids, 30 stacks, still know I'm so for real. My motivation is them 30 pointers, BVS, the furniture in my mouthpiece simply symbolize success. I got the wrist wear and neck wear that's captivating, but it's
can't deny it, I'm a fucking rider. You don't wanna fuck with me. Got scales in the trunk with me. Switching lanes to go fuck with me.
That's right.
Y'all can't deny it, I'm a fucking rider. You don't wanna bang with me. And you know I brought my gang with me. Niggas trip, I got my thing with me.
Yo, if they want it, cowards get it. They still wonder how I did it. Now y'all with it. These niggas see how I spit it. These bitches see how I kid it. You can hear my coupe a block away. Bitches be